Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the proper way to shampoo your hair using all MONAT products. So first of all, you're going to want to go in and make sure that your hair is completely saturated with water. These products are very concentrated, so you only need a little bit, and you need to make sure that your hair is completely saturated with water before you start using it, and that'll get you the best lather. So as you can see, I'm just using a little bit, and I'm going to be going in and starting at the root area. So this is going to break down any oil or product buildup that has accumulated in your hair. I only wash my hair every 5 to 7 days, and so by the time I wash my hair, I do wash it multiple times. With MONAT, you want to make sure and wash your hair twice. I actually wash my hair 3 times just because of the thickness and length of my hair. So I'm going in again with about the same amount of product, and you'll see at this second shampoo that I get a lot more lather. And I do this on the top part of my hair and also underneath. You don't want to leave that part out because that does accumulate a lot of excessive oil right on the nape of your head as well. So you just want to work up as much lather as it will get and then rinse it completely clean. So as you can see here, I am going in underneath and making sure that all of that shampoo is getting lathered properly and also rinsed out properly. I am going to go in again, like I said, a 3rd time with the shampoo. And every single time that you go in with your shampoo, you're going to notice a lot more lather. And this is going to depend on just the type of shampoo that you're using in the product line as well. This is just how the volumizing system works. If you're using something like Renew or one of the other shampoos, you will probably experience a lot more lather right at the beginning. So with this last shampoo, I want to start incorporating the ends of my hair. I don't use a whole lot of product on the ends of my hair as far as like hairspray and gel or mousse or anything goes, but I do want to make sure that everything gets completely cleansed. And if you have curly hair, you probably do use mousse and hairspray and those types of products on the ends of your hair as well. So feel free to use a little bit more shampoo there if you need to. So I'm just making sure it's completely rinsed, and then I'm gonna start with the conditioner. This is a Revitalize conditioner. This is part of the volume system, and you only have to use a little bit with this as well. And I start at the ends first with the conditioner because you just want to make sure that your roots are completely clean and rinsed out, and then you go in with your conditioner and make sure that that gets nicely absorbed in the ends, because that's the part of the hair that doesn't get as much oil, just like the roots do. So finishing off, after I get out of the shower, I take my hair out of the towel, and then I do use a few products to prep my hair for styling. So this is the Rejuva beads, and this is the split end mender. I'm gonna run it through my hands and then press it into the ends of my hair where I would normally see split ends or breakage. And after that, I just go in and brush it all through. And then I'm going to go in with the blowout cream. The blowout cream is a heat protector, but it also acts as a really good distributor for the Rejuvenate oil. So I use a little bit of the blowout cream, and then I add a few drops of the Rejuvenate oil. And like I said, the reason that I do that is because it helps distribute the Rejuvenate oil a lot more evenly. Sometimes when you go in just with the oil, you can tend to get more oil in certain places and less oil in others, and this just helps it to be more even. And even if you do not blow dry your hair, you're still going to want to use the blowout cream, because that does help protect it from any heating tools that you're going to use on it after that. So unless you never use like a straightener or a curling iron or blow dryer, anything like that, rollers, anything, you're going to want to use a heat protector. And this is a really, really important step. So don't skip that. So I'm just showing you really quickly here the amount of hair that comes out in my brush after going through and combing everything through. It's very, very little, and I'll go over hair loss in a totally separate video, but I just wanted to show you that that's a very small amount compared to the amount of hair that I have, and that's a very normal amount of hair loss. So that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and it was helpful. If you have any other hair related issues or MONAT questions, please feel free to message me, go to my website, or visit me on social media.